Good morning, children. PDF of the book is already shared with you all, so you all can see the questions from there, and I'll see questions by using this phone. So let's start exercise 1.1. Question 1 is given here. See the number line, as you all can see there. So this is the number line, and these are the temperatures which are given here. That for example, this is -10, -5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Actually, these are the temperatures in degree Celsius. So let's start question 1. It's given here that observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So whichever places which are given here, we have to mark the temperature of these places, right? So let's start with first one is that Lahore Spiti. I'm starting here. Question 1A. This is Lahore Spiti. C. B is Srinagar. C is Shimla. D. Ooty. E is Bangalore. So observe the number line and check the temperature of these places which are given here. So let's see Lahore Spiti. So as you all can see that this point is given on -5. Okay, so Lahore Spiti is given at this point. So let's reach to this point, that this one is -5, then obviously this will be -6, -7, -8. So Lahore Spiti, the temperature of Lahore Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius. So write down here -8 degree Celsius. So similarly Srinagar, see this one is -5 and this one is 0. So let's start with 0. That this one is 0, then 0, 1, 2. So Srinagar, the temperature of Srinagar is this, which is 2 degrees Celsius, and this is -2 degree Celsius. Why? As we all know that towards the left side of 0, that all the numbers are always written with negative sign. So that's why this number will have minus sign here. So this is -2 degree Celsius. Similarly, Shimla, see, as Shimla, the temperature of Shimla, which is 5, see this is given towards the right side of 0. Okay, so all those numbers which are given towards right side of this 0 are always positive, and left side of 0 are always negative. So as you all can see that the Shimla is given towards right side of 0. So this Shimla is positive, so we will write here 5 degree Celsius. Okay, next for Ooty. Similarly, Ooty, temperature of Ooty will be this, like this is 10, so 11, 12, 13, 14. So the temperature of Ooty is this, which is 14 degree Celsius. Similarly, Bangalore, this one is 20, 21, 22. So the temperature of Bangalore is 22 degree Celsius. I hope this question is clear to you. So let's move forward to the next question that's given here. This was question 1. Now question number 2. This is that in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. So if Jax scores 5 successive rounds were 25, let's note down them. 25 -5 -10, +15 and +10. So question is that what was his total at the end. So see children, as we all know, whenever we need to find out the total of something, we just add them. So as I think you all would have understood that how to solve this question, that you have to just add all these 5 scores. Okay, so for this we will have to use BODMAS. So let's write them. So how can we find out the total? Let's write them together. That this is 25. So what I am doing, first of all, I am writing that all the positive integers like 25, 15 and 10. See one thing, as you all can see that minus sign is given here and here, but there is no positive sign, there is no any plus sign. So always keep remember that whenever there is no sign before the number, we always consider them as positive integer, right? So that means this 25 is positive, 5 is negative, 10 is negative, 15 is positive and the 10 is positive. So let's write all those numbers which are positive. This one is positive, 25 plus 15 plus is 10. Now see, as we have this number, so let's plus, this will be written in bracket plus 5 plus minus 5 in bracket, once again plus, this is also negative, so this also we will write in bracket. So let's start solving. So first of all I am adding all the positive number initially. So this will be 25 plus 15, I hope this will be 20, 30 and 40, and this one is 50, and add the negative numbers also. So minus 5 and minus 10 will become minus 50, right? So now we will open the bracket. So whenever we open the bracket, before the bracket has plus sign is there, that means there is no change in the sign. So minus, we will write here minus 15. So 50 minus 15, we will have here 35. That means the total score of Jack is 35, right? So I need more space, so I am erasing this thing. Next is question number 3. This is that at Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So what was this temperature on Monday? I am writing here that Monday the temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius, right? And then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. That means, as given in the question, that on Tuesday the temperature is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. That means dropped means that has gone down. So we will subtract that. So that means earlier the temperature was 5 degrees Celsius. So from this 5 we will subtract 2. Why 2? Because the temperature has gone down by 2 degrees Celsius. So from the previous temperature, that means minus 5, we will subtract 2. So as we all know that from this minus 5 minus 2. So whenever we have two negative numbers, we add them. So minus 5 and minus 2 will become minus 7. That means the temperature on Tuesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature for Tuesday. So what is given further? Let's read the question further. So that what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? We have already written, it is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Now question is asking that on Wednesday it rose by 5 degrees Celsius. That means it has got increased. The temperature has got increased. Now you have to keep in mind that when something is increased, we add. We always add. So now right now the temperature is minus 7 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So on Wednesday, let me write here that on Wednesday the temperature is rose by, let me see, rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So means from the current temperature we will add